we got, Marco?
Postman's just been, he's dropped us off a little box. This is the second tent that we're going to do a review on, or a comparison. It's the SkyCamp Mini. This particular one is the Deluxe, so it's a brand new model from iKAMPER. Made in Korea, packaged in cardboard. I've heard nothing but good things about these tents, never really had much to do with them firsthand. So very excited, pumped in fact, to have a look at this thing. Let's lift the top, Nico.
Stainless buckles, even stainless badge. These aren't, well, they could be, but this looks like it still looks like nice branding. Not big loud logos. I'm not a huge fan of big bright logos. I quite like subtle. That's nice. It's just two colors, silver and black.
Can't go wrong with silver and black.
Yep. Lockable. Latches are lockable with a key. I've never seen that before on a rooftop tent. Probably
lockable with a key.
Yeah. This is the, I would say, the height, one end's high.
Yep.
So you would assume that you'd put that at the back. What are we thinking? A bit over 300 mil. It's about, looks to me about 350-ish, maybe 340-ish. Crude measurements, 1400 wide, so that's the width of the car, by around 15. Pretty compact, and it's pretty light. I cheated and looked on their website. 57 kilos, which is pretty damn light for a rooftop tent. These days, you know, some are getting close to 100, so this is a good option if you need a rooftop tent and you're weight restricted. Well, it's about 713 if I was to be exact. 713 millimeters. Hang on, how's this open? It stays as glam, doesn't it?
Mate, I've got no idea.
Oh, let's pop it over. Hope the cameras are in frame.
Is there gas struts assistance?
Yeah.
What do you talk us through it, mate?
It's got a little sock on the bottom of the ladder. I'm just winging this, but I'm assuming this comes. This comes this way.
So that's, Nick has never set one of these up before.
No.
And he's pretty much ready to sleep. Things are going well.
I can imagine there'd be some form of pole for this.
Yep.
Oh, we got a bag. Oh, we got a fixed bag. Little bag just inside the door. It's got some poles in it. 2 are different. I'm going to assume the 2 different ones are for my door. Normally, they would go into a location here somewhere.
Side window.
Side window that's actually accessible, as well as a fly. Map of the world is pretty cool, actually. We have an iKAMPER electric pump.
One iKAMPER electric pump.
We have seam sealer. Not sure if that's a good or a bad
seam sealer.
Fabric care.
One of these. Some kind of instruction booklet.
I love that.
You love that?
I don't love it.
What?
That's just inside.
Oh, hello. We might have to get a light of some sort, Nick.
I see there's a light underneath it, underneath the bottom, which is pretty cool. I like that. But there's also one in there we'll plug in.
Oh, nice.
That's a good idea. Function, just having a light straight away. USB, so if you had a power, like a little USB power pack, plug it straight in, on and off obviously. It's a 3-stage, or 3 different colour, 3 different temperature settings. The amber, the warm white, I guess you would call it, and also, well, and the cool white, and then dimmable.
Oh, nice. That's really good.
I guess this is the, yeah, it packs up pretty small.
Oh, that's amazing.
That's why you need the pump. Everything's got good straps on it and stuff. That's a good sign. Like even the mattress, nice Velcro straps. Pretty thin. The mattress actually feels really good quality, and air mattresses aren't like they used to be. I've put too much air in. Give you the hot tip. You could probably just push the one-way valve in there for me. That'd be good, I'll tell you. Plenty of headroom. First impression. Plenty of length. Like I got another. I'm probably 50 mil from the top, so probably you'd consider that at the top, and I've still got 300 mil below me.
Yeah.
Pretty impressive, lengthwise.
Very good. And I actually don't mind how tents just come in a bit for, you know, the foot end. Like if it saves.
It's not.
Like it doesn't really impact
No, I agree.
the bed at all.
I love this. I love the moon door.
Oh, so you can see your shed, all the stars.
Yeah.
So is that fly mesh or is that plastic?
So there's plastic, and then there's.
Can you open it completely if you wanted to? Oh.
That goes to the fly.
Oh, yep. So I assume the fly can come off.
Yeah. I imagine so.
That'd be nice on a nice drizzly night.
Stormy night. Yeah, I don't think there'll be any problem with comfort.
How good, yeah.
Oh, this is cool. How's it going?
Huh.
Pretty cool feature, actually.
So you just pull on a tassel inside?
Yeah, I wonder what that was when I was rolling it up. I'm like, that's interesting. But
that's cool, because if you just heard a noise or someone's taking beers out of your fridge.
Oh, I wouldn't be pulling that. I'd be jumping out. So if you're hectic with flies or whatever and you want to have a look out there,
Huh.
I don't mind it.
That's neat.
Yeah. Wow. I did not expect to see that in there. Pretty in-depth sort of bracket. Into your rail here, and then you'll go around obviously whatever sort of rack you have, and then tighten this up and that will pull that in.
Well, Nick, I actually think there's a few things on this iKAMPER that I really starting to like.
Yeah.
The look of it, so the black hard shell.
Yeah, that's always a win for me.
I like that. The texture's nice. It's not too. I prefer the texture over the smooth, I reckon.
Yeah, sometimes smooth can look a bit cheap.
Yep, agree.
Bit plastic. Well, plasticky. They are plastic, but if you know what I'm saying.
Yep. Another thing, that mattress. When I first read air mattress, I was worried. Now I'm excited. That looks really good. Even look, we'll have to wait and see. But if you can leave most of that air in there, that'd be mint.
I get a bit worried of that.
Wind.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
Just from, sleepless nights thinking camp's going to blow away.
Yep. And the smallest flap, when it's
That's right.
when it's real close to you, the smallest flap can be a pain in the arse.
But I think that's a removable fly.
Yep.
So that's a win if it is. I think you need to make that an option if you've got this fabricy. Like this is good because it's lightweight, right? Like it's 57 kilos. Mm-hmm. This is one of the reasons.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
You look at some other heavier tents and you look at the gauge of the canvas.
Yep.
Not the PVC ripstop.
Yep.
And you're probably saving 10 kilos in material. So, but these are the things we want to
test out.
Test out.
So this is the second tent unboxing that we've had. Drop us something below. Obviously, go check out that other video. But if you've got a suggestion for what other tent you'd like to see put up in this comparison, let us know. We'll see if I can get our hands on it. We'll see if those manufacturers want to help us out with that. And yeah, we'll try and turn this into one of our ultimate reviews.
Beautiful.